I also suggest to people that have kids to, and this is valid for with kids or not kids, because one thing that we hear a lot is that people crave connection, right? And it's hard to make friends in a new country. So when you get to the new country, you find yourself kind of lost. To solve that, you can, prior to your move, connect with people online, parents, with children around the same age, and have already set up some play dates or some coffee meetings so you can get to know people offline, in person, as soon as you get there, because it can really help with tips and other practical aspects, and just knowing that there's this one person that gets you. Usually there are going to be other expats who have been through that and can be a real important source of information, of comfort, and then can really help.